Another class with me. My name is Ming, and today we're going to look at how do we come up with a general rule for converting a percentage to a ratio. Here is the rule for converting a ratio to percentage, right? Okay, you may have got the answer or you may not have. If you may not have, then you may want to look at this video. All right, we're going to start with 3 examples, changing these percentages into a ratio. The first one is 60%. So what we're going to do is going to be 60 divided by 100 because percentage is divided by 100. Percentage here is referring to 100%. So divide by 100. So we get 60 over 100 like that. So now we can simplify this into 3 over 5 as a fraction. And then 3 over 5 as a fraction can be written as 3 to 5 as a ratio. Done. B, 28.4. What's the first step? Very good. We divide this by 100. So we get 28.4 over 100. Now you can move this decimal place to the front, to the back, sorry. So since it's 1 digit, so I have to multiply this by 10. The numerator and the denominator. Okay, so this is what we do. So you get 284 over 1,000. At this point, you can try to simplify it like this. And then the final answer is 71 over 250 as a fraction. And the numerator is written as the first digit in the ratio, or first number in the ratio to 250. Here's the final answer. In C, 33.33, what we do is the same thing. We're going to divide the number by 100, and then we get 33.33. So there are 2 decimal places here. So we have to multiply this by 100 to get this. 3,333 over 1,000. And if you try to simplify this, you will see that this is roughly 1/3. So we can try this here. Let me clean this page. So you go to document, go down to B, clear screen pad. So 3333 divided by 10,000. And then press enter. This is what I get, and then I can convert it to decimal. And 0.33333, which is about 1 to 3, right? This is actually the same thing, right? So this is about 1 to 3. And you can think of this as this, that is 33333 times 3, then you get about 99999, very close to 10,000, right? That's why this ratio here is about 1 to 3. In fact, if this is this number, the decimals is repeating 0.333 forever, then this is just going to be equal to 1 over 3 as a fraction, and this is going to be 1 to 3. And if you have 66.66666 and it's repeating, then obviously this is twice of that, so it becomes 2/3, and then this is 2 to 3 as a ratio. So now can you see the general rule? Very good. The general rule is this. Thank you.